So it's back together finally. Just started up a second ago. There's no turbo here now. Goes to a V-band. It's, you know, pops between 2 inches and 2 1/4 randomly pieced together to go under the harmonic balancer. This has a gt45 eBay 69mm turbo with a 77mm exhaust wheel. I have no exhaust coming out the back of the turbo yet. You can see it right here. Ooh. I have red plug wires now, which I think adds at least 20 horsepower. Still got the nitrous set up on it. Instead of it coming from down here up here, now this pipe comes from this side of the intercooler, so the air is traveling opposite way through the intercooler now. So there you go.